Here's a shot about 8 months after the in-frame overhaul that I did. My previous video basically just rebuilt the top half of the engine with the engine in the truck. Just wanted to show you guys basically the truck running, give you an update. Got a set of the Black Rhino Abrams on 35s on Cooper Evolution. Great tire, man. They hold really well in all conditions and handle really well on the street too. So the truck is about to get a full Carly suspension. I did the 3-inch progressive rate coils and then the extended control arms to basically replace those spacers. Truck ride's a little bit rougher than I want. Other than that, I mean, with everything we did, I run the Smarty on level 9 on that Aurora 3000. Very low smoke, a lot of torque, instant boost. The stage 3 650 horsepower transmission that John Elford built in Spokane, holding up incredibly well. I mean, it's rated for 650 horsepower, billet Garand triple disc, billet input shaft, custom valve body, Raybestos clutches. A custom tuned valve body that, I mean, the truck shifts really firm and really nice. Allows the turbo to spool up. I had him set it up with the Garand 17 SS torque converter, the billet triple disc. It's actually for the twin turbo setup, which this truck is going to get. Really look forward to that. But it runs and drives great. Love those BBI injectors. A few more little things that I need to do, but those big bangs are nice. Cool EGTs. A lot of fun to drive. Out accelerates almost any muscle car on the road or import. But yeah, just wanted to give you guys, like, I think it was 8 or 9 months ago I did the rebuild, but truck's stout, runs great, and look forward to giving you guys some more updates once I do the Carly suspension lift on it.